don't you go and cut your hair? Do you think it's gonna make him? I'm just a boy with a new haircut, and that's a pretty nice haircut.
Almost got the beach to myself today. Another awesome day. County down, can't beat it. You can just about see it in the distance there. That's Bangor, that's where I grew up. Not the watery bit, that's Belfast Lough. The bit in the middle where the houses and stuff.
Nighttime beach walk. This is what's happening. Just basically trying not to fall in the sea. So that's what I'm doing. Yep, just tripped over something again there. Awesome. Little bit of my hair sticking up. I mean, it's gonna rain. So, bring a coat. As a kid, I would be on these beaches, messing about in rock pools, looking for crabs and little fish. But as a 42-year-old man, I think I'm just too old for that now and too dignified, frankly. So here's 42-year-old me messing about in rock pools, trying to find like little fish or crabs or whatnot, but nothing to be seen today. That's a shame. Nothing to say hello to. But keep you updated. Behind me, just there, there's a whole bunch of cormorants. I think they're cormorants. Beautiful, just sitting there. Hi everybody, this is just because, I'm just going live because I don't think there's going to be enough time to do this on an Instagram story. So I just want to say a massive thank you to everybody for this year, for buying the record, for coming to see us play live, for being such amazing fans, for sticking with us. You know, we didn't tour for 6 years, we didn't bring an album out for 7 years. Unbelievable, the response for coming back. We're just all completely blown away. I'm speaking on behalf of everybody, but I know that everybody agrees with me in the band. Just thank you so much. It's just a short one. I know people are asking or saying hello and stuff, but this isn't going to be a long video, but I'm sitting on the spot that I wrote Life on Earth. I'm sitting on the spot that I wrote Life on Earth. Out there, the ships at anchor. There's 2 ships at anchor out there. Ships at anchor, me and you. So I thought this was a nice spot to sit in and say thank you. Just thank you so much, everybody. We love you, and we're looking forward to being back on the road in 2019 and seeing you all over the world. There'll be more gigs announced to the ones that are already been announced. So much love. Thank you so much. My phone's about to run out of battery. So loads of love. Bye. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, everybody. I hope 2019 is an amazing year for you all. Loads of love. Bye.